In today's video, I'm going to show you how to leave a product review step by step. If you've recently bought something online and want to share your experience with others, this tutorial is perfect for you. Reviews are super helpful. They guide other buyers and help sellers improve their products. Let's get started. To begin, you'll need to log into your account. Head over to the website where you made your purchase. Enter your login details, and once you're in, you'll have access to your dashboard. For those who might be unfamiliar, your dashboard is like your personal hub, where everything related to your purchases, settings, and activities is conveniently gathered in one place. Once you're on your dashboard, the next thing to do is find the section dedicated to your purchases or orders. This area is essentially a list of everything you've ever bought from the site. Now, for those of you following along, you might notice that I don't have any orders showing here, since this particular account is just for demonstration purposes. However, on your account, you should see a list of all your items. Look carefully for the specific product you want to review. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on View Details. Now that you're in the product details, you'll notice an option that says Leave a Review or Write a Review. Clicking on that should open up a new page or a pop-up window, providing you with a space to write down your thoughts and insights about the product. It's time to share your experience. As you begin to write, focus on providing honest feedback. You'll usually be asked to give the product a rating, commonly from 1 to 5 stars, with 5 stars indicating the best experience. Think about some helpful questions to guide your review. Was the product as described by the seller? Did it meet or perhaps exceed your expectations? Do you have any suggestions for improvement? Being straightforward and sincere is invaluable, so don't hesitate to include any details that you believe could help other potential buyers make informed decisions. When you're satisfied with your review, simply hit Submit. Once submitted, your review will be posted and become visible to everyone who visits the product page. There's a satisfying feeling in knowing that you've played a part in helping others make smarter choices, while also providing sellers with constructive feedback to refine their products. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully shared your product experience with the online community. Remember, whether your review is glowing or more critical, every review has value. Thank you so much for watching, and happy reviewing.